That's Changi prison just up ahead. Damn, it's windy today. Right. One of these days I'll do a loop around the prison, but not today. Today we're exploring the Changi area. I didn't really get much sleep last night. Woke up at around 5. Now it's 5:41. That's Loyang Point on my left. Alright, we're back on the road. Gonna have to turn right. It's 5:52. As you can see, no cars. Really nice to just, you know, relax, just pedal. Got the moon, half crescent moon. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool. Gonna have to make a right turn right here. Alright. See, there's no point risking my life on the road on a section like this, because that road's pretty busy. And look at the amount of space I have. It's practically the same as the road. Right, on the road now. I mean, already you can tell this is not a road you usually see in Singapore. I think that's an army base on my left. You could check it out, but let's see what's up ahead first. Oh, it's an uphill section. Yeah, Changi Beach Club. It's where we're exploring. A lot of people say that this area is haunted. And honestly, I don't really blame them, because not only is there no one here, but it's just really, really quiet. And during World War II, there were a lot of Japanese camps, torture camps in this area. So they say that like those people who were tortured, their spirits lingered. Nice though. It's a good view. Alright, I'm making a left here. around because this place is fucking haunted. I know I'm going the wrong side of the road, but like, I'm up, bro. I'm up. Oh shit, I'm out. Bro, what the fuck? I'm out. See you later. Also, it's about 25 degrees right now, which is awesome in Singapore. But really, really rare to see that kind of temperature. Changi Golf Club. Cool. Look at the chicken. Yeah, we're turning into a place called Changi Beach Park. I'm not allowed to ride my bike up this bridge. Yeah, this park is really, really good. This and the next park ahead of it, Changi Beach Point. But it's a really underrated park because of its location. Like barely anyone comes here. Visit. Oh my, look at that views. Holy. And the moon's up in the sky. You can see like the sky's almost pinkish, like the sun's coming up. Bro, just look at this place. Pothole. There are a lot of crows though. Hope they're not foreshadowing anything. We're gonna die. Bro, just because I visited that haunted shit, man. Fuck. GG. Look at this view. What? Beachside view. Yeah, that's the ferry terminal. Yeah, there's a fully military place on my left. And I think you can see on my right. Just Changi Airport. Man, look at that view. Look at that. That's awesome. Man, this is so nice. You can already see that the sky is a lot lighter. This road is silky smooth. Because no one comes here. It's so underused but very well maintained. Bro, what's that noise? Oh my, look at that view. Holy. honestly crazy. Oh. What a view. Let's go. Look at my baby. Man, this place is honestly something else. Oh my lord. This is so cool. Oh. You guys see that? Family of otters right there. Look at them.